Welcome to Hidden Treasure Educational Consultancy Services. We are committed to teaching, especially the subject mathematics. Today, we have a section we call Common Mistakes and Valuable Tips. Common Mistakes and Valuable Tips. Common Mistakes and Valuable Tips will be a section where we are going to be giving you very short and interesting corrections that we experience when we mark, when we teach, when we watch candidates write examinations in various places. Today, let us take a look to see one of such mistakes. Assuming we take a situation where we have a number like division, just short division. Division 12, 1, 2, 1, 2 divided by 6. Let's have it as number 1. Number 2, let's have number 2 as 18, 1, 8, 1, 8 divided by 2. And let us have number 3 as 32, 32 divided by 8. All right, let's go to it. What will come to mind when we have this? In number 1 would be that somebody may just say, okay, the answer is very simple. 6 divide itself, 1, divide 12, 2, divide 12, 2. And so the person may be tempted to say that the answer is 22. Likewise, number 2, the fellow may also say 2 divide itself, 1, 2 divides 18, 9, 2 divides 18, 9. And he will also be tempted again to say that the answer is 99. Whereas the last answer, the number 3, the fellow may do 8 divide itself, 1, 8 divide 32, 4, 8 divide 32, 4. And maybe someone will say it is 44. But I tell you honestly that all the calculations there are not correct. That is not the wrong thing to do. So we are saying no. The answer is not 22, 99, neither will number 3 be 44. What is the reason behind this? When you divide numbers, do not jump any one at all. Do not jump a figure. If we are dividing, for instance, in number 1, which we have as 1,212 divided by 6. The correct thing to do here is to divide 6 with using itself, 1. Do not jump any number. 6 divided 1, yes, we will not give you a whole number, so we're going to say we write 0 and join the second number here, second figure here, which is 2. 6 divided 12. What do we have? We will have 2. Then 6 divided 1. We will say, okay, it cannot work, so we're going to put 0. 6 divided 12 will give us 2. And so what is our result here? Our result here is going to be 0, 2, 0, 2, which means 202. And so 202 will be the answer, and not 22, as one may assume at the first place. In number 2, the same thing is applicable to it. Number 2, we have 1,818 divided by 2. And so we will not jump any number. Even though we are dividing by 2, a very small number indeed, we are going to say 2 divided itself will give us 1. And 2 divided 1, 0. Because why are we saying 0? It cannot get a whole number, and so we are saying 0. We join the 8 here to have 2 divided 18 to give us 9. 2 divides 1 again, we produce the 0. That makes all the difference. And then when we bring the 8 in, we have 18. 2 divided 18 will give us 9. We know that 0, 9 is something as 9. And so the first 0 here is not significant. 0, 2, is something as 2. Therefore, we are going to ignore the first 0 and write it as being equal to 909 as the correct answer. Are you doubting it? Do you have a proof? Do you want to show that whether it is true or false? You may just decide to divide, you may just decide to multiply 6 by 22 to arrive at this number. You may just decide to multiply 2 by 909 to arrive at the number you have already divided. And then number 3 has a similar thing. That number 3 then will give us 3,232 divided by 8. In a similar way, we are going to use 8. If you are not capable of using 8, viewers, you may use 2, you may use 4. But we are saying using 8 because we know the numbers are actually divisible. If we use 8 directly, we can say 8 divided itself will give us 1. 8 divided 3 will give us 0 as usual. Bring it into here, we have 32. 8 divided 32 will give us 4. Then 8 divided 3 will give you 0 again. We bring in 2 to have 32 again. Then 8 divided 32 will give you 4. And so our last answer to this particular question, number 3, is going to be equal to 404. So next time, viewers, when you divide numbers, do not jump any digit. Because if you jump a digit, you are going to see that you are going to get the answer wrong at the end. Just take a look. If you multiply 6 by 22, will it give you 1,212? No, it will not. The same thing is applicable to the first, the second, the third that we have already worked. It's only when you divide without jumping a number, so to say, without leaving a number, a digit, and you're going to arrive at correct answer. So if there's anything you don't understand in this very section, please make your comment on the video and I am going to get back to you. Please, I want you to follow my page so that anytime I drop any video, you'll be able to be the first person to see it. Like and share for more interesting topics. Thank you very much.